Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lecture number 3, class 3, topic fractions, subject math, instructor Hirarshad. Topics to cover in this video are proper and improper fractions, like and unlike fractions, comparing fractions, ordering fractions, addition, subtraction and division of fractions. Okay, let's start. Proper and improper fraction. How we can say that the fraction is proper or improper fraction? If the fraction has denominator greater than the numerator, then the fraction said to be proper fraction. If the numerator is less than the denominator, then the fraction said to be proper fraction. If the numerator is less than the denominator, then the fraction will said to be proper fraction. Improper fraction. If the denominator is less than the numerator, then the fraction will said to be improper fraction. Or you can say that if the numerator is greater than the denominator, the fraction will be improper fraction. You can say that 3 by 1 is improper fraction. Like fraction, if the denominator of each fraction is equal to the other fraction, then the fraction will be like fraction. Suppose 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, these two fractions are said to be like fraction because they have same denominator. 5 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3, all these fractions are said to be like fraction. Unlike fraction, if the denominator and the numerator are different. Unlike fraction, now see, the denominator of these fractions are different. If the denominator of fractions are different, then the fraction said to be unlike fraction. Comparing fractions. How we can compare fractions? We can compare fractions by denominator. Before comparing the fractions, we have to do an activity. I have the paper of pieces. Equal pieces of the papers are that you can see all these pieces are equal. Check out the parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have divided this piece into 5 parts, and next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is divided into 6 parts, and this is divided into 7 parts. Which parts of the paper are greater? You can see that the paper which have 5 parts is greater, and the paper which has 6 parts is greater than the 7 parts. Okay, similarly we compare the fraction like that. If I have a fraction 4 by 8 and 3 by 8, which fraction is less and which fraction is greater? The lesser fraction is 3 by 8 and the greater fraction is 4 by 8 because it has 4 parts of 8 whole. This fraction has 3 parts of 8 whole, so 4 is greater than the 3. It is like fraction because both denominator are same as 8. If the denominators are not same, how we can compare that the fraction is lesser or greater? Suppose I have a fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, it is similar like that. I have divided the paper into pieces. You suppose that I have divided this paper into 3 pieces like that, and this paper into 2 pieces. Tell me which piece of papers are greater, this one or this one? this piece of paper is greater. Now in unlike fraction case, you have seen that 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Next is ordering fraction. How we can order? If we have compared the fraction, then ordering is very easy. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3, so in ascending order 1 by 3 is written before 1 by 2 in ascending order, and 1 by 2 is written before 1 by 3 in descending order. Next, addition, subtraction and division of fractions. How we can add fractions? If we have like fraction, then addition is very easy. Three by 8 plus 4 by 8. We have same denominator as 8. 3 plus 4. Count 3 and 4 will be 7. The fraction will be 7 by 8. Similarly, I have a question 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Addition of this fraction will be 5 is the same denominator, so 2 plus 4 will be added and the result will be 6 by 5. I have another fraction like 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. The fraction will be 2 plus 5 by 3. 7 by 3. Next is subtraction of fractions. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 5 is the same denominator because both are like fraction. 3 minus 2, the result will be 1 by 5. Similarly, 7 by 8 minus 6 by 8. I have to solve it like 8 is the same denominator, 7 minus 6 will be 1 by 8. Now division of fraction. If I have a fraction 1 by 6, I have to divide it by 2. How I can solve it? It will be solved as 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 2. Division will be changed into multiplication and 2 will be written as 1 by 2. Or the fraction will be 1 by 6 of 2. It will be like that. So 1 by 6 of means multiply 2. So I have to write this like that. 1 will be multiplied by 2 and the denominator will be 6. 2 ones are 2 divided by 6. I have to divide 6 with 2. 2 threes are 6. The result will be 3. Similarly, 1 by 8 of 4. 1 by 8 will be written as it is, and of will be multiplication. 4 will be written as 4 by 8. So 8 will be written, 4 twos are 8. Result will be 2. Now have a look. It is your maths book. You can see that you have to learn this table or view this table so that you can uh, clarify the fractions. You can compare the fractions using this. Now see the exercise 1 by, fill in the boxes with greater or less 1 by 3. What will be written in that? You can see that 1 by 3 here. 3 pieces are less than 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Similarly, you have to solve all these parts. Fill in the boxes by writing greater or less 1 by 5 or 1 by 10. 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 10, because 1 by 10 is here. You can see that 1 by 10 and 1 by 5 is here. 1 by 5 has smaller pieces than 1 by 10. Now you can see that